Hi guys, welcome for another video. So today I'm making a server called Undernation for my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna post it, but I'm still not finished. I'm gonna add stuff in it. So I'm gonna change this. Wait. I'm gonna do it later. So I'm gonna just review it. So there's my video. This is a new video. Different the other one. Lazy. So here, we have to use the settings, main, help for beginners. Okay, guys. The whole stuffs. Image, Cfon, NSF, W, utility, Mimi, animals, config, games, and see, I'm gonna let you see it. There's still one here. I still have to add more bots. Two music bots. I'm gonna add another bot later. So this is my other server though. See. The server. It's not the bot yet though. And I'm making this for my YouTube channel. This is what's it called? Minute to the Gamers servers. This is like a Discord. What's it called? YouTube channel called this one. So we'll same for another video, I guess. So this is all for today's video, guys. Please like and subscribe, turn the notification bell, and share this. Yeah, just share it. So goodbye.